Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a collective autumn haul because I got a job and for some reason I decided that meant I could buy everything that I wanted. So I have like a mix of a lot of clothes here. I have a lot of kind of autumn essentials, accessories, shoes, clothes. Some are from vintage shops, some are from charity shops, some are brand new. So we're going to go category by category because I think that's what makes probably the most sense. Starting with what I most recently found in the charity shop. I got this like white off the shoulder top. It's quite long. It has little like ruche sleeves. It sits really nice with like little shorts and tights and boots. I got it in a charity shop for €1. I got this cardigan in the same charity shop. Very on trend. It's very good quality as well. It's 100% cotton Land's End. In a size 6, so that was very lucky. This was like €3. Yeah, I wore this to college yesterday. I really like it. Okay, so those clothes were from the charity shop, and then I went to a vintage market. I got a few more clothing items. So this, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen. I went as Laguna Blue on actual Halloween, and I had this leopard print turquoise slip dress, which definitely can also serve as like an aquamarine costume. It's really good quality, little bows. It was like €5 or €10. Skirt I got in a charity shop as well a little while ago. It's slightly too big for me and it's high-waisted, but I do still really like it. It's an A-wear skirt, and A-wear is a pretty good brand. Yeah, it's an A, so it's a little big, but it's very sweet. I think I'm gonna wear this today actually because I haven't styled it yet. It's corduroy pleated skirt, very cute. Next we're gonna go on to accessories that I've thrifted because I feel like I've thrifted a lot, and then I'm gonna go back to more clothes. I just want to do all the charity shop stuff together. I have thrifted some like decorations and frames for my bedroom recently, but I do want to save that for a future video, so I'm not going to show you. But first thing, pretty boring, this claw clip. They like sell brand new ones. These sunglasses, very snooky. These were €3. I love them a lot. I think they're very cool. That's the inside. They're like tortoise print. Yeah, I love these. You will see me in these on my Instagram. Slaying. Okay, then I got these knee-high socks. You can see what they look like. If it wants to focus. These were $1.50 for 3 pairs. So what, like brand new socks. Can't really go wrong with that. Then belts. Okay, first one, really sad. I got this belt and the belt was really bad quality and it broke. But this is the buckle. The buckle also broke, but it's really cool, so I need to find something to do with it. I got this brown belt because I've really been needing one. Unfortunately, it's teeny tiny. Like you have to wear high-waisted basically, or like I put an extra hole in it so you can wear like mid-rise but not low-rise, so that's really sad. But it's like a nice brown, probably faux leather crocodile, but I love the buckle. I think it's so nice. So now I just need to find a brown and gold belt that I can actually wear high-rise. That'd be really helpful. Literally, it's on the pair of jeans I was wearing yesterday, but this gold, oh wait, why does it like look black on camera? It is gold and stretchy. It's a funny one, but it's cute. That is it for thrifted accessories. I'm gonna get into more clothes because we're gonna try switch up. So these are clothes that I have bought brand new. This is collective from about August. Starting off with, I'm showing you ones that are like have been staples really for me. H&M bubble skirt. I love it. It's high-waisted, which is unusual for me if you know me, but it is very cute. I just love this. I wear it all the time. It's my favorite skirt I own 100%. It's Henley top, which I've worn and it needs a wash, but I had to pull out the wash for the video. This is from Stradivarius. Got it in an extra small. It's like a nice long but still slightly cropped top. But yeah, Henley top, back buttons, very Elena Gilbert. Not much to say, but it's good for work because I have to wear black. Another top that has been an absolute staple. I've already worn it to death and I think I'm gonna wear it again today. It's this Zara bodysuit, and I never really understood the hype about these until now. This is the most flattering top I own. It's like ruched at the front. I wish the hip cutouts were lower, but because I wear I don't really wear high rise, but other than that, it's so nice. It's like meant to be a slightly wider than square neckline, but I usually wear it off the shoulder. But this is gorgeous. I love this. This jumper I adore, also from Stradivarius. So this one I love. It's like an off the shoulder black jumper, but then it's knit, by the way, and it has a scarf and you wear it like, you know, little choker. It is very, very flattering on, like the whole thing together. But yeah, this jumper fits so nice. I would so recommend. It's actually really good quality and I think I will get a lot of wear out of this. Next part of my Halloween costume, if you saw this, part of both my Halloween costumes, but I've wanted these for ages, you know, Ageorama mini short. These are from Urban. I got them on sale. They were like literally €6, but they're silence and noise. They just zip at the side. They're very short and they have little pleats at the front, if you can see. I don't know, I've already gotten a lot of wear out of these. I think they're amazing and they can be styled so many ways and they're so comfy and they're stretchy and they're just the perfect low rise. So love these, would recommend. I've got a lot of people asking where I got them from. Last new clothing item, Zara top when I was in Spain, and it's so beautiful and running theme here, it has a scarf attached. And would you believe I haven't worn this because I bought it at the end of summer and I feel like it's so summery. It's nice, okay? It's really nice on. It's a nice long tube top. But yeah, I love a tube top personally. Now we're gonna go to more accessories because these have been some of my staples. I'm really excited about this. Look at this, come on. Even better, I got it from a small brand. This is from Francis by FB, which is a Dutch brand, I believe women owned. It's just amazing. This is, because I've been trying to thrift the perfect black handbag with gold hardware for the longest time, and I love a big handbag. If you've seen my channel, you know this, but I wasn't able to find one. This one fits my MacBook for college. It's got big pocket here, loads of pockets inside the massive pocket. Nice like tassel detailing. I adore this bag and it's so comfy on your shoulders because it has like nice thick straps. It also did come with like a crossbody strap, which I probably won't end up using, but nice to have the option. Yeah, all my stuff is in here right now because, like I said, this is my college bag. Absolutely adore, would so recommend. Go get this off Francis by FB. It's the city bag or the it girl bag or something. I love it. Oh, next I got this also at that vintage market where I got the cheetah print, the leopard print dress. It's just like a fur little head muff thing. Haven't styled it yet, but I will. Now we're gonna do shoes because I have some great shoes. I did get 3 pairs of shoes this autumn and this will come as a surprise to absolutely no one. They are all black and one of them is a pair of Converse. I'm not gonna go get them because I'm currently cleaning the laces because I was wearing them to work and there is coffee all over them, which, you know, it will probably stain, but it's okay. They're just platform Converse. I'll insert a picture here, but you all know what they look like, I'm sure. Then these are really exciting. I got these off Depop for, I think, actually €10. These Isabel Marant dupes, except they don't have straps, they have laces. As you can see, the pleather is wearing off them because I have worn these actually a fair amount. I need to get insoles for them because the soles like came off, but that's the price you pay for vintage shoes. Like we all know this. These are vintage River Island. They are from like 2009. I actually like the way it looks without the leather, so I'm just gonna let it all crack off and wear them. But these are really good for looking taller, and if you want a cheap version of the Isabel Marant, if you like don't know if you're gonna wear them a lot or not. My last ones, I mean, they're crap quality, but they've got like Uggs underneath, so I need to glue them down. But I do love these and I know I'm gonna wear them a lot anyway. Like I'm thinking mini shorts, black tights, and like loose tops like this would be very, very cute. I wore these for Halloween, obsessed with them, got a lot of compliments. You are very warm wearing these. I mean, you probably think, yeah, obviously, but I don't know, I didn't really expect it for some reason. But there you go. Those are my boots. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I know everyone loves a good haul. Did accumulate this over like August, September, October, November, 4 months. So don't judge me, don't come for me too much. I love these sunglasses so much. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!